Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Adobe Lightroom for free. You can join Pro edition, a full version of Adobe Lightroom. So in order to do that, you can open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome and search for Adobe Lightroom free here. So you can download from the official website. And here we go, this is adobe.com. You can click on free trial details here. This is the right group. So for download it's free, and also you a free 7 day of a trial. So you can edit photo from anywhere you are with easy way to adjust exposure, color and more. You can click on start free trial, get the full app with the latest updates. You won't be charged until after your free trial ends. And no fee if you cancel within 14 days. And also you can see plans for student and teacher or for business. So it's very easy. Just click on start free trial. Here there is a best value, for example, Creative Cloud apps, a and so on. This is the plan, this is the price that you have to pay after the trials end. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.